Yes.
May I please listen? My lord, I beg to mention for listing an admission matter, my lord. It was listed only 2023. After that, it has not been listed, my lord. And my petitioner is going to retire within 3 months, my lord. The
What is the
matter may
subject
come
matter?
up any day next
What
week.
is the subject matter?
Subject matter is the promotion, my lord. District level has given me promotion, but the government is not providing
District level?
approval, my lord. So any day next week, my lord.
Not a matter of auto turn listing. Okay, next Friday.
Pay for listing of IA, my lord.
IA for?
IA for my lord, restoration of the petition.
Okay.
Obliged.
Or Wednesday.
In item number 13, motion, my lord, I filed an additional affidavit. Deeply obliged.
Please, my lord. Lord, I beg to mention an petition to be dictated for orders, my
Matter of which year?
matter 2023, my
Why out of turn listing? What is the urgency?
lordship. It was lastly, it was in the motion stage.
No, you said it will come for orders. What is the urgency? What is this matter about?
Matter is against the appeal against the orders of insurance ombudsman.
Not a matter of auto turn listing. Sorry. Next.
With your consent from the other side, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41. In this matter, I have received a copy of affidavit in opposition yesterday of late, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So I'd like to file a reply to that, Your Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed by Veterinary Department.
Yes.
Okay. You inform the other side.
Yes, MM Kotopi.
Okay.
Yesterday night, Your Lordship.
Okay. S. Dasgupta.
Yes, Lord.
On the prayer of Miss S. Dasgupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit.
Much okay.
Yes,
Your Lordship. I beg to mention a petition, Your Lordship, made a pertains to appointment of MK Inspector, Your Lordship.
Press matter.
No, Lordship.
Then?
For order. It's for order, Your Lordship.
What is the matter about? What is the urgency?
Urgency is the last listed, Your Lordship, 13 March 2020.
That is not the urgency.
The opposite side, Your Lordship, file affidavit.
No, what is the subject matter?
Lordship, we have challenge selection list.
Sorry, not a case for out of turn listing. Next.
Maybe, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship, 1-5, Lordship.
Yes.
Finally, this matter will be taken at 2, Lordship. Some inconvenience.
2 o'clock. Okay, but this court is rising early today. There is some important program. 2 o'clock we'll sit, but we'll rise by around 3 o'clock as soon as possible. Which item number?
15, Lordship.
15. Motion matter.
Yes, Lordship. At the same time, another matter will come for Lordship.
If it clashes, you make a mention, then we'll accommodate you, but not at this time. Okay? You be here.
Lordship.
Ask somebody to be here. If it clashes, we'll accommodate you. Okay? Yes.
May it please, Lordship.
All of mon rakhiba, 15.
May it please, Lordship. So with your consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship.
17 years.
So kindly adjourn the matter for today.
Okay. On the prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 1 week.
Please.
Yes.
May please, Lordship, kindly allow this matter for listing, Lordship.
Fresh matter or what?
Motion matter.
Motion.
Admission matter.
Admission, which year?
2023.
23. What is the subject matter?
Promotion of
No,
in-
promotion. Sorry.
promotion of investigator.
Yes.
My please, Lord. Also, I beg to mention for listing of a petition, Lord, for admission column, Lord.
What is the subject
Matter
matter?
is of 2022. And there is a
22.
stay order in operation.
22 matter. Okay, Friday next.
May I plead, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing one petition, Lordship.
For?
8.
For what?
Lordship, petitioner is a ASHA worker.
What is the stage? Motion,
No,
admission,
admission
orders.
listed.
Admission. What is the subject matter?
Petitioner is a ASHA worker, Lordship, in Mukalma PHC. And respondent authority.
We are not asking the facts. What is the issue involved? What is the urgency?
Admission
What is the challenge about?
Lordship, illegally appointed.
Sorry, not a matter of out of turn listing. Yes, madam.
Please, Your Lordship. And listing of a writ petition, Your Lordship. The matter pertains to regularization, Your Lordship.
Regularization. What is the urgency?
Your Lordship, and the petition.
Matter of which year?
The petitioner is going to retire next year.
Matter of which year?
This year, Your Lordship.
He's retiring next year. You're making out of turn listing. What is this? Reasonability.
Your
Sorry.
May I please, Lordship, listing for
Admission. Matter of which year?
this year, 24.
What is the urgency?
Actually, the petitioner was retired from 31 January 2023, and since to 10/5/24 it was not fixed.
What is the subject matter? He's retired. What do you want from the code?
He is not getting the regular premium. Lordship.
Premium? What premium?
Pension.
Pension? You're saying premium? Okay, Friday next. Pension matter Friday next. When was it last listed? When was it last listed?
14 10/5/2024.
10-5. What order was passed?
Sorry.
Okay, we'll have it on Friday. It's a pension matter. Okay, next Friday. Give the date. Yes.
What you have to mention item number 46.
4-6.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. This matter has become infructuous. The petitioner prayed for family pension and that has been duly complied with.
Okay.
And in the meantime, we have there's a prayer in the petition for compassionate appointment as well. But unfortunately, we have received our instruction last night that the petitioner passed away.
Okay. Your name is not there?
My name is not there.
You're for Mr. A. Sharma.
Yes, Sharma.
And your name is huh? Then it's Sunil. What give your name?
El Sangam.
And right. 3 so learned counsel. Appear on instruction of 3 A. Sharma. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter has become infructuous as the petitioner has passed away in the meantime. Para. Sri D. Bora, Learned State Council. AG, anyone from AG? Anyone for Excise Department? AG Likhibahiri. AG, who appears normally? RK Talukdar, AG and Excise? RR Gogoi. RR Gogoi. KP Pathak are present. Matter is accordingly dismissed as infructuous.
Much.
Yes. Water resource, anybody? You want to withdraw this?
Yes.
3A and Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioners submits that he has instructions to withdraw this petition. Full stop. Sri RM Das, Learned Standing Council, Water Resource Department, and Sri D. Bora, Learned State Council are present. Para, the petition is accordingly dismissed as not pressed.
My pleasure.
Yes.
Page number 9 is the order you will. 11% page number 11 and 12. I submitted application on 12 December of 2023. There is a time limit of 45 days. Till date about 7 months over.
Heard. क्या contempt रखे हैं notice दिया था आज so order order dated 11/12/2023 in so and so representation dated 20/12/2023. Why 4 and 5? What is 5?
Yes.
Respondents, see 4 and 5.
Same person, Your Lordship.
Why have we made him twice? The direction is to whom?
Direction to the respondents, Your Lordship,
Who are the respondents? This was to examine the representation.
from the respondent.
Who are the respondents?
Page
No,
number
but who-
12, second para.
This representation will be considered by whom?
Lordship.
The representation which was directed to be considered would be considered by which respondent, which authority?
There is no specific, Your Lordship.
No, we are not on the order. But who, before whom the representation was filed?
All respondents, Your Lordship. 2-all.
But why have you made 4 and 5? It's the same person. And 6 also. Why?
It's a earlier writ petition, Your Lordship, they are parties, Your Lordship.
In a
Right.
contempt matter, you make the person individually a party.
Right.
So the same person has been made 4, 5, 6. Under what? Why? You cannot proceed against the same person more than once. If you make him 4, then 5 and 6 are not required. Selection committee, is he representing the selection committee? How?
Executive engineer is represented for selection committee and interview board.
He is there as respondent number 4. Why 5 and 6? And 7, what role does 7 has? Deputy commissioner?
7 is
District commissioner, deputy commissioner, why? Okay, no, issue notice returnable by 6 weeks, huh? Steps within 3 working days. Full stop. It is seen that, it is seen that the respondent numbers 4, 5, and 6 is the same individual. Full stop. Therefore, separate notices are not required to be issued for respondent numbers 5 and 6.
obliged, Your Lordship.
Take steps, register post AD within 3 working days.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
AAR Karim. Yes. Yes.
Lordship, the operative portion of the judgment, my lord, will be found in page number 12,
12.
which is violated.
Please read.
Page 12.
Yes, please read.
One is, there were 2 directions. One is repeated and another one is release the area of salary. The repeated one is compiled with, the direction is compiled with, but our salary is yet to be released.
What is your name, madam?
Ms. D. Borua.
D. Barua, huh? Order dated, side number 21/7/2023 in WPC so and so. Representation dated 4/7/2024. The learned counsel, however, submits that so far as the direction for repatriation is concerned, the same has been complied with, full stop. However, the direction for release of the arrear salaries is yet to be complied with. Okay. Take steps, register at a respondent at us. Huh? Take register post with AD, 3 working days. Notice, 6 weeks.
I think 4.
Made previous lordship. Well, the operative part of the judgment is at page 19, the penultimate paragraph of page 19.
19.
19.
Yes.
May I read, madam? On 7/6/2023, notices in the matter were issued, and today, when the matter was called up, Mr. So has placed before the court a communication issued by the senior account officer of the Regional Pay and Accounts Office, Government of India, Ministry of
No,
Civil
that is
Aviation, by
okay.
which-
Read the last part, in view of the PPO now being issued.
In view of the PPO now being issued and the submission of Mr. learned that the pension will be released to the petition in view of the PPO having been forwarded to the competent authority. The court therefore does not find any further clause left to urge in the present proceedings. Accordingly, taking on record the submissions made by Mr.
for the Regional Pay and Accounts Office that the PPO has already been released along with the area as mentioned in the communication enclosed under the cover of the letter dated 9/1/2024.
Yes, now what is the
The writ
contempt?
petition stands closed, my lord.
What is the contempt?
Now, my lord, the contempt here is your lordship has seen that the writ petition was closed on the basis of the submission made that family pension has been released and area pension also will be released with effect from 18/9/2009 and 9/31/12/2023.
Hmm.
Family pension has been released with effect from March 2024, my lord. But so far the area pension is concerned, that is not released yet as yet.
Where is your request?
My lord, my lord, direction was on the basis of the undertaking given by,
Where is your request?
my lord, insofar as my entitlement is concerned, that was,
Mr. Chakraborty, where is the representation? This is a
Represent-
contempt matter, pen election is there.
my lord, representation after the passing of this order, my lord, there was the
In this petition alleging contempt, comma, no representation has been said to be,
representation is there, my lord. That is,
no
that is-
representation
my lord,
has been annexed, full stop.
my lord, I'll do that.
Sri Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, is granted 2 weeks' time
My lord,
to put on record the representation furnished, representation submitted, requesting compliance of the order in question, full stop.
by way of an affidavit. my lord.
Let such representation be placed on record by way of an affidavit.
Oblige.
Maybe, sir. First, this matter relating to compensatory appointment, the DLC nullby rejected the case lordship, page 17 lordship. When they rejected lordship, they said the vacancy is not there lordship. OM dated was not considered. Page 17 lordship. And the last, real number 2 lordship.
That was when?
Lordship, date was lordship, 3815 lordship, 3815.
And we are in 2024.
Yes, lordship, but I have started lordship in, the DLC was held on 2018 lordship.
Thereafter?
Thereafter I went lordship, but it was not intimated. Then RTI.
After 18 till 2024, how do you explain?
Lordship, I came to know through an RTI lordship.
When did you make the RTI?
Lordship, that is 2024 lordship. Lordship, why lordship, I have started, kindly for a given moment lordship, page
See,
6.
first the entire objectivity or objective of the scheme is lost. After 9 years, there is no concept of compassionate appointment.
No, it is-
Compassionate appointment is a deviation of the normal rules. If you're really aggrieved, you should come immediately.
Lordship,
It is for the purpose
true,
of giving
Lordship.
immediate succor to the bereaved family. After 9 years, where is the urgency?
Lordship, in
And where
2018,
is your conduct?
lordship,
DLC considered in 28.
it's true lordship.
You filed RTI in 2024.
Why lordship? Because till 2017, I was running after lordship. Immediately after my application lordship, they told that this scheme is discontinued from April 2017, and I stopped lordship. When large number appointment were made
After
lordship,
2018, what did you do till
they
2024?
told the scheme is not available lordship.
Oh, then you wait for another 10 years?
Lordship, that's true lordship, but my right is there lordship. Since
What right is there? How have you espoused your right if there is any grievance? When have you come to the
but
court?
they did not consider lordship. This is the fault of the respondent lordship.
Sorry. Don't flood this court with these matters. You know the law regarding compassionate appointment. You come in time, we'll see what relief you can grant.
But
Not
lordship,
after 9 years.
recently large number appointment has been made lordship.
We not know. If
I have
they
included the
if
order,
they
of-
make-
kindly see
if
lordship,
they
the
make on their
order
own-
of this honorable court,
Sorry.
I have annexed lordship, page
Sorry.
29. Page 29 lordship. This is died in lordship 2014.
We
and the
cannot
court
go
considered-
beyond what has been laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in Devabrata Tiwari. That is holding the field. We cannot go beyond.
But-
9 years. Otherwise also convince the court, 9 years. Where is the urgency? Leave aside all laws. Let us come to the basic
But
law.
18 they have considered lordship, DLC.
18 to 26, we'll cite reasons, don't worry.
Then I have stated lordship.
Third, Sri S.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri Ardhor, learned standing counsel, Public Works Department, Para. The claim, now considering its subject matter, comma, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage itself, Para. The claim is for consideration of the case of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground, para. The facts projected is that the father of the petitioner, Kanu Ramchiari, was working as a section assistant within bracket grade 3 in the PWD Rural Road Division, Nalbari, and he had passed away while in service on 3/8/2015. Full stop. The petitioner claims to have applied for appointment on compassionate ground on 30/3/2016. Full stop. The case of the petitioner was, however, rejected by the DLC Nalbari on 21/3/2018 as on the ground that his case was not covered within the 5% quota. Full stop. The petitioner has projected that the rejection was not communicated to him at that time, and such rejection came to be known in an application made under the RTI in the year 2024. Full stop. The Sri Ahmed the Learned Council has submitted that while rejecting the case of the petitioner, the office memorandum dated 1/6/2015 was not taken into proper consideration, as the same provides for recommending the name in any other department where vacancy exists. Full stop. Para. Sri Ardhar Learned State Council, on the other hand, has submitted that the deaths being in the year 2015, a claim for appointment and any direction for appointment on compassionate ground would be against the very object and purpose of the scheme. Full stop. It is submitted that the Honorable Supreme Court, in a catena decision, including the decision of Debabrata Tiwari, has laid down the principles, and the case of the petitioner does not fall within those guidelines requiring any consideration. Full stop. Para. The death of the father of the petitioner was on 3/8/2015, and the rejection by the DLC was on 31/3/2018. Full stop. As regards the delay in approaching the court, the Learned Council has submitted that the information regarding the rejection by the DLC was received by him by an RTI made in the year 2024. Full stop. It is, however, intriguing as to why the petitioner was waiting till the year 2024 to seek the application, even assuming that the proceeding of the DLC was not communicated. Full stop. Then you write Debabrata Tiwari, essence. Okay, dismiss. Yes, next.
6.
My lord, here in the case, my lord, we have challenged only, my lord, departmental proceeding, my lord, because of the reason, my lord, the presenting officer, he himself conducted the inquiry, my lord. We are only
What inquiry?
departmental inquiry, my lord. So after outcome of the appeal, my lord, I was reduced from the rank, my lord. I have challenged by filing a writ petition, which your lordship has fixed on 19. So may I pray, my lord, the matter be taken up along with this writ petition on 19th, my lord.
Now, what is the cause of action here?
Cause of action is, my lord, only departmental proceeding, because the very person who initiated the inquiry, he is a presenting officer. He cannot be like this, my lord, to conduct inquiry, or
What
I
is
have
this?
written.
Lordship may kindly peruse last court order.
Oh, what prejudice will you suffer? We are examining your earlier case.
Not- Yes, my lord. So
Then
that's why I pray, my lord, matter may come up
no, no,
online.
why a separate petition?
My lord,
The cause of action, which
cause
you-
of action, my lord, during pendency of the case, my lord, they have not passed any order, my lord.
what order?
Any final order of the departmental appeal.
Doesn't matter. That has been taken care of. You withdraw this. Why are you
My lord.
inviting a
My
order
lord,
of
matter may
dismissal?
come up on 19, my lord. Will my lord.
No, not why two writ petitions? Tell us if you're actually having some separate cause of action. Will definitely admission is no
My lord,
problem.
yeah, my lord, only.
Your cause of action is before us. We'll consider that. No prejudice. You can file additional affidavit in that. How? Why two petitions on the same cause of action?
Same cause of action in the sense, my lord, my cause of action in the instant case, my lord, the very person who is
That will consider, that will be a ground of your challenge in the earlier case. How can the same person he could be the disciplinary authority as well as the presenting officer, as you have projected? We do not know. We have
My-
not even heard Mr. Das.
my
So
lord.
withdraw this.
We are on to the record, my lord.
We withdraw this. We'll see it. Heard Sri G.I. Borbui, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri R.M. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Water Resource Department. Full stop. Sri Das, the Learned Standing Counsel, has referred to the earlier order dated 17/7/2024 on the issue of the objection raised on the maintainability of the writ petition, which is hit by the principles of res judicata. What's the para? Sri J.I. Borbuya, Learned Counsel, however, submits that an issue has been raised in this case on the validity of the departmental proceeding itself. Full stop para. In the considered opinion of this court, comma, the said issue can also be decided in the pending writ petition and
WPC
WPC
3583 of 24.
3583 of 2024, in which notice has been issued. Full stop.
Record
Para.
was called for.
Notice have been, and records have been called for. Full para. In view of the above, comma, this court is of the opinion that a separate petition is not required or even maintainable. Full stop. Writ petition is dismissed.
But
Full stop.
instead of this, we closed what?
Writ petition is closed. The petitioner would be at liberty to take additional grounds of challenge if required by filing additional affidavit.
Item 7.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes.
Here, what happened, my lord, the petitioner was initially appointed as a clerk in the United Bank of India in the year of 2010, my lord.
Hmm.
And later on, my lord, this bank has been merged with the
PNB.
National Bank, my lord,
Okay.
along with the another Oriental Bank of Commerce.
Mhm.
And when she was working as a branch manager at Distributory branch,
Hmm.
one proceeding was constituted against her. And
Hmm.
after the conclusion of the proceeding, my lord, the major penalty was imposed to her, my lord.
Regarding
Regarding that, my lord, removal from service, my lord. And accordingly, my lord, after that.
your
order,
appeal has also been dismissed.
No, appeal is pending, my lord. I have filed an appeal. Lord will find my appeal at page 63, my lord. Whatever, my lord, appeal is pending. During the pendency of the appeal, my lord, they have released my all the service benefit. Appeal is pending.
Released.
All released, my lord.
Okay.
Has deposited in my account. And in the meantime, what happened, my lord, as per the provisions of the regulation, their own regulation, as per regulation 17, it is clearly said that after receiving of the appeal, my lord, the appellate authority definitely close or dispose of the appeal within the period of 3 months. If it is not possible within 3 months, they have to review this. My lord, I have the regulation. This is the regulation.
No, what is your prayer now?
My prayer is that, my lord, direction may be made to the appellate authority to dispose of the or intimate me. What is the status of the appeal, my lord? I have filed the
But
appeal.
why are you taking that chance? Why don't you challenge the entire order of penalty?
My lord,
We
since-
can say that pendency shall not be a bar for disposal of the appeal. And we examine the penalty. Tomorrow we may be required to file another writ petition.
Yes, my lord, that's why that is true, my lord. But during the pendency of the appeal, my lord, how we can challenge the.
Why not? If they have not disposed of the appeal, you cannot sit tight for years together. When was the appeal preferred?
My lord, one observation may be given to.
When was the appeal preferred?
17, my lord.
17 what?
Regulation 17.
No, when was the appeal preferred? Date?
February, my lord, in the month of February, my lord.
We are August. Why don't you consider the appeal?
No, it is under consideration.
Now, have you passed final orders?
No.
Pass final orders, matter ends there.
Then the direction will be given on that, because their sole prayer is that.
No,
to
Mr.
expedite
Borba, will you be satisfied with the direction for consideration and disposal of the appeal?
Yes, my lord. This is my lord, prepare, my lord. Then, my lord, if it is against me, my lord, I will come to the court.
Okay, that we are disposing today itself. Heard. Miss, we are not expressing any views on the merits of the case. Okay.
No, because.
I heard Sri D. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri Datta, learned. You are the standing counsel,
Actually, there's.
panel counsels. Okay, learned counsel appearing for the Punjab National Bank. Full stop. Para. Considering the subject matter and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, this writ petition is disposed of at the motion stage. Full stop. The petitioner was working as the branch head of the Lichubari branch in the district of Jorhat under the respondent bank. Full stop. A disciplinary proceeding was initiated against him, against her, which had culminated in an order dated 9/1/2024, by which the petitioner has been removed from service. Full stop. It is submitted that as per provision of the regulation 17 of the PNB Officer Employees Discipline and Appeal Regulation 1977, comma, an appeal has been preferred on 13/2/2024, which is yet to be considered. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that a direction may be issued for consideration and passing of final orders in the appeal and communicate the same to him. Full stop. He prays for a further liberty that in the event the outcome of the appeal is unfavorable to him, comma, he may be allowed to approach the appropriate forum of law. Para. Sri Datta, the learned counsel for the bank, submits that the appeal is in fact under consideration and final orders would be passed soon. Full stop. Para. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, comma, this writ petition is disposed of by directing the appellate authority, namely respondent number 4 of the respondent bank, to consider and dispose of the departmental appeal filed on 13/2/2024 expeditiously and in any event within a period of 45 days. 45 days.
Too much. 60 days.
45 days.
Because the entire matter is being taken up in Delhi.
It's lying, it's disposed from February, March, April, May, June, July, 5 months have gone within 45 days from the date of receipt of receipt of the certified copy of this order, from certified copy. It is also provided that in the event the appeal, the outcome of the appeal is against the petitioner, comma, he would be at liberty to approach the appropriate forum of law. Para. This court, however, makes it clear that no observation is made on the merits of the case of either of the parties. Disposed of.
Here the
Number?
petitioners
8.
had been working as masteral workers who were engaged after 1/4/1993 and had completed 5 years, my lord, service as on 24/1/2001, my lord. And here, my lord, the petitioner's the case is similarly situated. I have annexed on order, my lord, at annexure 9, my lord, page 41 to 45, my lord, similarly situated, my lord. Order dated 5/3/2024. The petitioner's case may be similarly.
Now, what do you want?
It may be verified, man.
No, what is your ultimate relief? For what?
My lord, for regularization and for your lordship may kindly see,
Regularization after open DAS.
my lord. Your lordship may kindly see the order dated, order at page 44, my lord.
44, yes.
Yes. This last para, my lord, this court has already observed that the report annexed with the additional affidavits so and so considered
44.
opening without entering into the merit of the
It's
case.
44.
44, my lord.
44 is annexure 7, madam, not this one.
Lordship,
You are referring to some court's order.
51. Lord.
51. Yes,
Nine, okay.
yes,
My lord, this thing,
51, yes.
without, it would be in the interest of justice to dispose of all the writ petitions by directing the respondent authorities in the Water Resource Department to have a re-verification with regard to the claim of the petitioner as to whether they are appointed after 1/4/93 and have continuously been serviced for 5 years till 24/1/2001.
This is not for
exercise-
regularization, this is for re-engagement.
Yes, my lord.
That is why I would ask you, what is your ultimate prayer? You said regularization,
Yes, my lord. Re-engagement.
re-engagement.
Yes, ma'am.
Re-verification. Lord.
Re-verification, then you can re-engage it. She's not asking for regularization. You,
But there is a report, they have also stated that
okay, we issue notice here. Heard Ms. S.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners were appointed as masteral / work charged employees under in the Water Resource Department in various divisions of Assam on or after 1/4/1993 and had completed 5 years of continuous service. Full stop. In certain cases, similarly situated persons were re-engaged. And in this writ petition also, the petitioners have relied upon an order passed on 5/3/2024 by this court in WPC 5823 of 2021. Full stop. Para. This court has noticed that the prayer is not for regularization, but only for re-engagement. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. Sri Sharma, learned standing counsel, Water Resource Department, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. All the respondents.
Yeah.
Extra copies, within 3 working days.
I did nice.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
The matter relates to a selection proceeding where, my lord, there were certain relaxations given to all candidates who belong to the state of Assam in the height and chest measurements.
Okay.
That lordship should find it page 30.
Now what has happened?
No, my lord, I had availed the relaxation,
Hmm.
which is available for all candidates of the state of Assam. No such relaxation was specifically there for OBC category candidates. I am an OBC category candidate. It is for the whole of Assam, not for the OBC. Because I availed that relaxation for the state of Assam, they have considered me only in the OBC merit list without taking me into the unreserved category for the state of Assam. But what has happened is I availed the relaxation for the state of Assam along with all the candidates of state of Assam.
You belong to OBC otherwise.
OBC otherwise. Now they say that because I have availed one relaxation, which is available for the whole state of Assam, I will be considered only in the OBC category. In the OBC category, I did not meet my mark. But in the unreserved category, I meet my mark. I come up as a selected candidate if I'm considered in the unreserved category. This issue was before this honorable court in other litigation. This honorable court held that when it is for the state of Assam, it cannot be confined to the OBC, and he will have to be considered as an unreserved category candidate. Number one, what has happened is those petitions being allowed, only those candidates who have approached the courts are being given the relief. And therefore, my lord, I am before this honorable court in a similar matter, if lordship finds.
Yes, madam, will issue notice, take it, but this matter advertisement is of 2018.
18, my lord, the selection process continued up to 2022 end. And the last order, if lordship will find from this honorable court, is at page 59, issued in December 2023.
Aren't you late in coming to the court?
A little late, but my lord, these people, they stay in deep far off places. Information going to them that some others have been, because that he had availed a relaxation and all, my lord, that part is beyond these people. Had it been some other aspect of the matter, it would have been different, but that they were considered in the OBC category only because of the relaxation.
Heard Sri R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner had participated in a recruitment process initiated via an advertisement dated 21/7/2018 by the Staff Selection Commission for recruitment of constables, GD, in Central Armed Police Forces, NIA, and SSF, and riflemen within bracket GD in Assam Rifles. Full stop. It is submitted that there were certain relaxations for the candidates from the state of Assam. Full stop. While such relaxation was availed by the petitioner, who is from the state of Assam, he has been deemed, he has been treated only within the confines of the OBC category. Full stop. It is submitted that if the petitioner, the OBC category marks is higher.
Because of the age gap method.
It is contended that if the petitioner, that it is contended that the petitioner secured marks more than the last selected candidate in the general category, and therefore he should be treated as a general category candidate. Para. Learned Counsel has also relied upon certain earlier orders passed by this court on the issue. Full stop. Para. Notice, let notice be issued, 6 as Barua. CGC for all, madam? All respondents, extra copies, 3 working days. Okay.
Obliged.
Please, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is agreed by an order, my lord, by which subsequently the pension of the petitioner was stopped. My lord, page 47 is the PPO order.
Why has it been stopped?
My lord, the reasons given by the authorities, my lord, at page 67, my lord, they are treating my date of appointment to be after 2005. My lord, there is a notification at page, my lord, 85.
Okay, we'll issue notice at this stage.
My lord.
Heard Sri H. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner who had retired as head constable.
Head constable.
Head constable. From which department?
No, Assam Police, my lord, border organization.
From the broader organization under the Assam Police was initially getting the pension full stop. However, the said pension has been stopped on certain grounds relating to his date of initial appointment.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. Para, let notice be issued. Returnable on pension matter, will fix a date. Returnable on today's reiteration, no? Or returnable on 21st of August. Is the Bora for all?
No, your lordship, except some number 7 and 10.
Okay. Seven. Railway police. No, 7 also you can. Railway police. It's not GRP. 10, of course, treasury officer, somebody from the finance department. Mr. Borpujari, finance. Okay. 129D Bora, 10 R Borpujari. 9 you are there. Oh, 9 RK Talukdar, huh? 9. Tekisa some? Oh, okay. Extra copies within 3 working days.
The matter relating termination of service after disciplinary proceeding, my lord. At this stage, I would prefer a notice, my lord.
As you are working as what?
I'm working as a constable in the CRPF, my lord. Constable General DP.
DP was held.
DP was held, my lord, yes.
Hard Sri R Mazumdar.
I have a objection on territorial jurisdiction, lordship. The charge sheet was issued from Jammu and Kashmir, conducted there, lordship. Order was passed from Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
Appeal was disposed from Chennai, lordship. How this court will have
My
jurisdiction?
lord,
lordship?
there are Supreme Court judgments which says that when I make an appeal from the home state and the appeal is disposed of, my lord, that judgment is there, lordship will have it tomorrow, I'll place it on Monday. Division bench judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. Saying that this court would have the territorial jurisdiction.
What is the cause of action arising?
My lord, the
Leave
appeal,
aside judgment, come to the law.
my lord, in
Show us that any part of cause of action has arisen within the
in
territorial
exactly
jurisdiction of
the
the
similar
court.
situation, a writ petition was
Okay.
dismissed by the Patna
On
High
Monday,
Court.
Monday or Wednesday,
Yes, yes.
Monday or Wednesday, Monday it will come. Monday,
Monday.
on the prayer of, Hard Sri R Mazumdar Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Sri B Chakraborty Learned CGC has however raised an objection on the maintainability of the writ petition on the territorial, on the issue of territorial jurisdiction. What's the para? Para? On the prayer of Sri Mazumdar, matter is adjourned to Monday. Next,
Right.
Monday, next, Poro here, this Monday. First week. Mr. Tiwari,
Petitioner is a
after
reader.
a long time,
Yes, my lord, not keeping well, in fact.
you have not
Today
retired.
also, my lord, in my case, today I'm under heavy medication. Effect of the medicine is such that I'm finding it difficult to keep my eyes open. Because of severe allergy, very heavy doses have been given.
Okay, we'll not take much of your time.
My lord, only 2 minutes. This petitioner, my lord, is a reader in Government Medical College of Homeopathy. He is facing allegations of sexual harassment. Now, my lord, presently is facing 3 proceedings. One under the POSH Act 2013. Second, criminal case. Charge sheet has already been filed. Charges have to be framed. Thirdly, my lord, departmental proceeding has been initiated. In the meantime, he is already under suspension. My only prayer is, my lord, first of all, I'll face, my lord, both the proceedings, criminal as well as inquiry before the internal committee under the POSH Act of 2013. But, my lord, the committee was not properly constituted. So the committee which was constituted earlier, it itself recommended that let there be a proper composition of the committee under the POSH Act.
ICC.
So, my lord, yes. So within a given time frame, my lord, they should complete it. And till the completion of the inquiry before the committee,
Is there a defect in the inquiry, in the constitution of the ICC?
My lord, I have to obtain.
My lord, they say, it is the committee itself says, and also, my lord, Director Ayush, who carried out the preliminary inquiry, in his report also he has said, it is not properly constituted.
What is the anomaly, or what is the defect in the committee?
Defect, my lord, one external monitor is also required. One NGO or somebody of the ladies, that was not there. So they pointed out, Director Ayush has pointed out.
What is the stage?
Stage, my lord, committee constituted earlier, it said that this proper constitution is not
What
there.
is the stage now?
The state will not, they are yet to constitute the internal committee under the
You
POSH Act.
take instructions, we'll have on Wednesday next.
Yes, my lord.
You come up with instructions. Why should you pass orders? You come up with instructions that you are having a new committee. His grievances will be redressed. No,
Yes, my lord.
no need
That's
of.
all, my lord. I'm given
And
the
Mr.
time frame.
Senate councillor said that it has been noted by your authorities itself that there is some anomalies or defect in the committee.
Yes,
Okay.
they pointed out.
Third Sri P.K. Tiwari Leonard Senate council for the petitioner assisted by Sri Pathak. U Pathak. Full stop. The principal grievance is the constitution of the ICC constituted constitution ICC under the sexual harassment এখন পুরা নাম full stop. It is contended that such defect has been noted by the authorities themselves, and yet there is no step taken for rectification of the same by constituting a new committee in accordance with law. Para Sri D.P. Bora, Standing Council Health and Family.
Yes, my lord.
Health and Family Welfare Department prays for some time to obtain instructions. Full stop. Para. Wednesday, is it okay?
Yes, my lord.
On the prayer of Sri Bora, list on
Can it be on Friday, my lord?
Friday you're here? Okay. On Friday next. Date to deliver. Will be 9th of August. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Lord, in the meantime, the DP, nothing has been done, of course, but then,
That is why I was facing a short date. We'll consider on 9th.
but in the meantime,
TP is a different proceeding, my lord.
if
TP
they,
is a different
if
proceeding,
they
my lord.
appoint the inquiry officer, this is the prayer, my lord, to the interim order for the DP. Because in the meantime, if the
And we'll
inquiry officer is
consider,
appointed,
we have not.
And otherwise also, my lord,
Friday we'll consider.
TP is a different proceeding, my lord, because it is in.
that is why I have come before the court. We all know it's a different proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
That is why
You
there is
think so?
petition.
It is a sexual harassment.
The three parallel proceedings can't.
Now, after the ICC, inquiry by ICC, is there a requirement to have a separate department
My lord,
proceeding?
Justice Vidal Barua laid down a law reported in 2021 4 GLT that both the inquiries are in the same domain. So therefore, since that's a special law, internal committee will carry out its inquiry, will give its finding. Subject to that very finding, the departmental authority may impose a penalty.
That
No
is
separate
it. That
inquiry
is,
will be
there is no
required.
separate, the law does not contemplate a separate disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
The internal committee, the proceedings is like a disciplinary proceeding. It's only for the disciplinary authority to take a call on the report of the
That is it. Lordship may see, may not
There's no
relevant paras.
requirement. No, that is the law.
So that is the,
11 and 12, 11 and 13.
yes, my lord, 2000, that is
No,
reported.
11 and 13, section 11 and 13 is a
Yes,
statute only.
that's it, that's it.
11 and 32 not allowed.
The 2021 4 GLT, page 612.
It's a statute only. That is why we're.
That's it. The Lordship has pointed out. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, my lord, I will obtain. Obliged, my lord.
In this case, is that a separate disciplinary proceeding initiated?
My lord, in this case, the charges, the memorandum of charge has already been issued
By whom?
by the disciplinary authority,
How
the
can you-
commissioner and secretary.
How is it permissible?
That is why, my lord, that's the reason.
Is it on the same charge?
Same, my lord.
No, you're not required, and there's no requirement in law, neither is contemplated by law. You read 11 and 13.
Yes, my lord.
And this is not a new law. This is, Visakha is long back now. If you still consider to be a new law that you are not educated, then it's not proper. This is quite some time has
That-
passed. Okay. Next.
Obliged.
And in fact, we find many organizations that they are yet to have a ICC.
Yes, my lord, in this case, they
Cases
have it.
are, litigations are here.
In this case, they have it, but they didn't follow the composition.
Okay.
That's the whole problem.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes, Mr. Tiwari.
Lordship, I am challenging the repetition, this suspension, my lord, of this petitioner, my lord. There was a meeting on, annual general meeting on 31/5/2024, my lord. On that time, my lord, there was a green flood in the Silchar. My lord, 7 of the club members, my lord, they wrote letters to the meeting, my lord, to postpone the meeting, my lord. The AGS, ADM, my lord, received the letters, but since the secretary was not happy, so my lord, there some, my lord, chaos was there, my lord. People were supporting the clubs not to held the annual
This
general meeting, my lord.
rate will be maintainable, Mr. Tiwari.
Yes, my lord, because in case of my lord, BCCI versus the Cricket Association of Bihar, my lord, I am referring to that, my lord.
No, Assam Olympic Association.
Yes, my lord, because my lord, since my lord, this district sports association Silchar, my lord, is recruiting the player for district games, my lord. They are
No,
recommending to the state, my lord, they are functioning.
You're affiliated to the Olympic Association or district sports?
The others also, my lord, my constitution is there with others also, my lord.
No, the suspension is from what capacity? Suspension is from what capacity?
From secretary ground branch, my lord.
Of,
District Sports Association Silchar, my lord.
this is a society.
But affiliated to, my lord, Assam Olympic Association also, my lord.
Where affiliation will it bring in the jurisdiction?
Yes, my lord, because my lord, they are selecting players, my lord. Because if the rights of the players and the committees and the clubs are infringed, my lord, they can have the, my lord, their fundamental rights will be infringed. They will come within this. That is what, my lord, the Supreme Court.
The players are not before us. It's not a third party. You
But
are a
my-
part of the
But
association. It's your internal
it
grievance.
is what, my lord, because my suspension can only be done by the Assam Olympic Association. Because, my lord, we come within the preview of the, because the constitution also does not say that the office bearer can be suspended, my lord. The clubs, my lord,
No, but what is the constitution of your district sports association?
my lord, it starts from page
It's a
17, my lord.
society. Is
Page 17, my lord.
17. 17.
17. Yes, my lord. This is the constitution of this, my lord. Now, my
Yes.
lord, would kindly see.
Now, who are the members? Who are the? How is it? How does it function?
The, my lord, the composition of the management is page 22, my lord. The general council DSA will consist of president, secretary, my lord, from different clubs, my lord, which are there affiliated to them, my lord.
22.
Page 22, my lord. Composition of the management, my lord.
Yes.
And on the left-hand side, lordship would find, my lord, clause number 6, termination of membership,
This
my
is a
lord.
private dispute.
My lord, even otherwise, my lord, but my lord, we come within that, my lord, because now, my lord,
It's
the
a
players
private
will
dispute. It's not with the functioning of the association that the third party has come, that this association
but my,
or member of the public.
Well,
You are
I-
part of the association. You have been suspended. Go before the civil court.
but my
It's a
lord,
private dispute.
but my lord, we are functioning, we are doing the duties of the public, my lord. This is what, my lord. Because,
You-
my lord, we are selecting players, my lord.
The grievance is not with your functioning for the public. The grievance is your suspension by the association.
Yes, my lord, but
If
my,
had it been with any function that where the public is involved, we would have discharging public function.
correct,
It's an internal matter of suspending one employee by an association. Where is the scope of a writ court to interfere?
since, my lord, I'm also a registered society data part, I'm
Registered
affiliated to-
society, society against which a writ will lie. It's a private body.
What?
Your remedy is not closed. You go to the civil court. And you unnecessarily bring in Olympic Association.
No, my lord, we are,
Only your
affiliated to-
association is affiliated to Olympic, then Olympic will be associated to the state to the Union of India. This kind of pulling and tying up will not do.
No, my lord.
You have to make a direct case that you are aggrieved by an action and that respondent, that action comes under the amenability of jurisdiction. Sorry, we are dismissing this.
Then, my lord, I'll withdraw the.
Withdraw it
with
for
the-
file it before the appropriate court. Okay. Heard, Sri A. Tiwari, learned counsel for the petitioner. This petition has been instituted against the following respondents. Full stop. The cause of action is also an order of suspension by the respondent number 2. Full stop. This court is of the considered opinion that this court has also examined the constitution of the managing, what is it? Managing, page 22 of the composition of the management at bylaw 9. Is it bylaws or what?
Clause 9, my lord.
Clause 9 of the constitution of the association, which consists of private persons, full stop para. In the opinion of this court, the maintainability of this petition itself is doubtful, full stop. At this stage, Sri Tiwari, the learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for withdrawing this writ petition with a liberty to approach the appropriate forum, full stop para. Writ petition accordingly dismissed on withdrawal.
Close, my lord.
Dismissed on withdrawal, however, with liberty to approach the appropriate forum, full stop para. The dismissal of the writ petition should not be construed to have passed any observation on the merits of the case of the petitioners.
Deeply
Petitioner.
obliged.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, this matter relates to non-payment of gratuity to the, my lord, retired employees of British Open Society. In fact, Lordship had the occasion of dealing with a similar matter, my lord, and Lordship has already passed a judgment, my lord. If the Lordship peruses 63 to 75, my lord.
What has happened to that?
My lord, they have received the payment.
Now, these are remaining employees.
These are actually, that petition was of the year 2010. And those employees who have superannuated prior to 2010. So they have filed fresh representation in 2023, my lord. The representation Lordship will find in page 62, my lord.
Heard Sri G. Rahul, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners are retired employees of the Jyoti Chitraban, within bracket Film Studio Society, established by the government of Assam. Full stop. The respondents have, however, not paid their gratuity. Only the gratuity part.
Only the gratuity.
Gratuity. Full stop. The learned counsel has also relied upon an order passed by this court on 14/9/2023 in similar writ petitions. Full stop para. That notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Yes, you for
Only for 1, 2, and 3.
D. Bora 1, 2, and 3. R. Borpazari Finance 4. Extra copies 5 and 6 registered postpaid AD. Chapter 3 working days.
5, 6, I'll take.
Registered postpaid 5, 6.
Item 15.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, the matter is, Lordship, the corresponding authority issued an advertisement, Lordship. Without circulating the advertisement, Lordship, taken the application, Lordship, for filling up the Anganwadi worker and post of Anganwadi worker and helper, Lord. This is the case, Lord.
You said they have published an advertisement, then without there being an advertisement. What is your stand?
This published lordship.
Only
Kindly
issued lordship, but without, without circulating
in the
the.
last portion of this lordship, it was in an office notice board, and that lordship, the district information and public relation office, Hailakandi for favor for kind information, he is further requested to take the necessary step for wide publication of the paper.
DIPR you had given.
Lordship.
Yeah.
No, lordship.
And
Actually,
the
it is not.
application advertisement was published on 1st March 2024, lordship. Now he has come to the court, lord.
Yes, lordship, I came from reliable source there, lordship. My husband is the donor of the land, lordship, 5 acres of land donated, lordship, for set up the model Anganwadi center, lordship. And accordingly, the Anganwadi center was set up, lordship.
You should be more vigilant if there is a move to induct Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper. Your husband had donated the land. You should be the first person to know that there is a move.
Actually, not advertised, lordship, for paper, lordship, and not hang the notice, lordship. I am from Katlishwar.
How many persons have participated?
Lordship participated, lordship. That's why he has come, lordship.
Your BU Laskar,
Yes, lordship.
Heart Sri BU Laskar Learned Council for the petitioner, whose grievance is lack of proper publication of the recruitment drive for filling up the post of Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper in certain centers of the Katlichara ICDS project in the district of Hailakandi. Full stop. It is
May I-
submitted.
May I submit, lordship? Lordship, he has prayed for set aside the impugn order, lordship. He has not applied, lordship.
No, we are not setting aside. No, it is submitted that the husband of the petitioner had also donated land for the model Anganwadi center. Full stop, para. On the other hand, Sri Chakraborty, Sri Chi Chakraborty, sorry, A Chakraborty, learned State Council submits that the notice was duly affixed in the notice board of the office with a further with copy mark to the DIPR
Lord.
to make proper publication. Full stop. He has also raised the issue of delay
Lord.
in approaching the court, para. Be that as it may, comma. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks for all
Oh, Lord.
Chakraborty for all the respondents. Extra copies within 3 working days.
Further process proceed within that.
No, lordship, no.
If you are successful, we'll pass some orders. We cannot stop the process. Yeah, Mr. Chakraborty, you take definite instructions
Lord.
that whether, apart from the affixing the notice,
Lord.
whether it was given for further publication.
We'll take.
Yes.
My pleasure, Lordship, it's a compassionate appointment case, Your Lordship. Only my prayer to place my application before the DLC, Your Lordship. Here, Annexure F, Your Lordship, is number 27, Your Lordship. Earlier placed in the year of 1918, Your Lordship, as the DLC, Your Lordship. It is number 27, Your Lordship.
Father died when? 2016.
Lordship. Lordship,
DLC 2018.
Yes.
Thereafter?
first time placed in the year of 2018, Your Lordship,
Yes.
at page number 28, Your
Yes.
Lordship. That proposal, point number 11.2, proposal of Sri Ibrahim Ali Thana Plat Thomas Ali, post of the Joint Director Health Service, Golpara, could not be recommended by the DLC for want of requisite numbers of vacancy.
Yes.
Vacancy
Thereafter?
position was not there, Your Lordship.
2018.
2018 matter, Your Lordship.
Thereafter?
After that, Your Lordship, I again submitted my application, Your Lordship, page number 32, Your Lordship, Annexure A is, Your Lordship,
22.
32,
Yes.
Annexure A is,
1/10/2021.
Lordship.
Thereafter?
Thereafter, Lordship, Annexure A is, Your Lordship. In the next DLC, Your Lordship, my application was returned, Your Lordship.
How
By the
did
DLC.
you overcome the gap of almost 8 years?
I approached several times, Your Lordship. I have annexed all the order, letters, Your Lordship, and orders, Your Lordship. Page number 34, Your Lordship.
You have approached the court.
Earlier approached, Your Lordship, but That was
You had come before this court.
lordship.
When?
Page 30, your lordship.
Page 31, your lordship.
31 is the.
8 February 2021, your lordship.
31.
Lordship.
Yes, what was the order?
Order, your lordship, there is no vacancy, your lordship, at that, in that petition, your lordship, only prayer was to place the DLC, your lordship.
Yes. Petition has become infructuous.
Yes.
It was considered in 18.8.
What did it?
It was considered. It cannot be a repeat process to be repeated, and that too after 8 years.
Lordship, annexure J, page 34, your lordship. Subsequently, my application was forwarded, your lordship, by the department, your
If
lordship.
they do it on their own, it's a different matter. We cannot direct appointment of compassionate on
Lordship,
compassionate ground after 8 years.
Only a small direction, your lordship, to place the DLC, your lordship, a vacancy
Small
available.
direction, big direction, there is no difference. Direction is the direction. It cannot be against the law laid down.
There is a letter, your lordship, on 9 March 2022 to your lordship.
After
Up to
8
23
years, we
lordship.
cannot direct compassionate appointment. Sorry. It will be against the
To
objective.
place the DLC, your lordship, only.
It will be amounting to a direction to consider after 8 years.
There is a letter, your lordship, of the departmental authority, your lordship. page
We
30
cannot grant a direction. If the department on its own does something, it's good. Otherwise, not a direction. Heard.
Yes.
3 AAR Karim, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard 3 D Bora, Learned State Counsel, and Miss S Sharma,
For health
Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department. Para, considering the subject matter, this writ petition is disposed of at the motion stage. মই এটা হেৰিক দিছো পুনমক দিছো অলপমান চেঞ্জ কৰি এইটো কৰি yes we are dismissing this item number what was the item we had dismissed today one item number 5 5 to okay অকমান চেঞ্জ হ'ব okay
May I pray for withdrawal, your lordship? Otherwise, lordship, there is a letter direction or departmental will not allow me, your lordship. There is a last letter of 2023, your lordship, 16 May, your lordship, for consideration by the departmental
did
authority.
you file the writ petition for a consideration
I may be allowed to withdraw, your lordship. Otherwise, petition will suffer, your lordship.
first এইখিনি লিখিব লাগিব হা the question of delay তাৰপিছত at this stage the learned counsel praise praise that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal. হেৰিখিনি অলপ থাকিব কিন্তু হা ইনিচিয়েল খিনি থাকিব ফেক্স টু ডেট okay dismissed on withdrawal.
Oblige, your lordship.
18.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, Mr. Roy, what is this?
My lord, the petitioner was appointed under regulation 3A. Subsequently, he was promoted to assistant executive engineer. But my lord, he was placed under suspension with effect from under 1/7/2017. Lordship can see that annexure 3, page 24, my lord. Until now, the proceeding is not completed, my lord, and no seal cover procedure has been followed. My entire case is that, my lord, seal cover procedure has not been followed, my lord, although in 2024, interest in his list, I'm number 1, my lord.
Okay, heard. Sri J. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri P.K. Munir for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner who was working as an assistant executive engineer, civil, PWD at Naharkutia was placed under suspension pursuant placed under suspension on 1/7/2017
Yes, my lord.
on account of his arrest in connection with what is SVC? Same vigilance cell.
Yes.
Right, in connection with a vigilance case registered as CM's SVC, likhe deba, huh? Police station PS case number 7 of 2017. Full stop. Though a disciplinary proceeding was initiated on 25/8/2018, neither the same has been brought to a logical conclusion, nor any seal cover proceeding
Yes,
has been maintained by which the petitioner is made to face prejudice so far his consideration for further promotion is concerned. Full stop para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks, by 6 weeks. Yes, for all. State Inquiry Officer number 4, I think, Government Advocate, Mr. Bora. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. R dhar PW likhiba, huh? Bora for 4. Extra copy is 3 working days.
Bye.
State Inquiry Officer.
Oblige, sir.
Yes, Mr. Rashid, what is this?
I will be allowed to do the same with liberty.
For
With liberty, I will be allowed.
what is the matter?
Milord?
What is the matter?
Milord is getting commission upon Milord.
Why
Earlier,
liberty?
Milord,
Why
I-
liberty?
I approach Milord, again will I approach with the contempt petition?
2015.
My lord. There is, I will be allowed to do Milord.
We are not granting liberty. We allow you to withdraw. 2015, 23/11/2015, date of death. A Rashid, last withdrawal, huh? Dismissed on withdrawal. Then for all the respondents, Ardhar. The supplementation 9 here.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this petitioner is Vicaridor in Epidicial lordship. Lordship, he joined on 1/12/2010 lordship.
Yes, affidavit filed, Mr.
Yes,
Das.
my lord, but you know what happened, my lord? The
Have you filed
instruction-
affidavit?
No, my lord. What happened, my lord? The instruction that were received, my lord, 2021, my lord. So, my lord, as for the instructions, my lord, the petitioner who is serving, that is the instruction up to 30/4/2018. My lord, the honorable court has might recall the office order, my lord, the enhancement of, my lord, the outsourced workers, my lord. Lordship has already disposed similar matters, my lord. So perhaps, my lord, he might come under this notification, my lord, and he might be entitled, my lord. But as per our instructions, my lord, he is not entitled. Because after
We will take
2018
this for disposal on Tuesday next. Today, we are in, we have to complete the matters. Today, there will be some difficulty.
Yes, my lord.
On Tuesday for disposal, because you had granted 2 weeks time as a last chance.
Yes, my lord.
You
Lordship
place
is correct.
whatever instructions you have. Tuesday will dispose this.
Yes, my
Lord.
lord. Apart from that, my lord, there are few more things, my lord.
No, you place it on Tuesday.
We need to obtain instruction from my lord, 2 subdivisions, my lord. Because one from Biswanath Chaili, where the petitioner has been working, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, we have already also come to know that.
Mr.
my lord-
Das, on the last occasion, 15/7/2024,
Yes, my lord, I'm aware
we
of that.
said that a final opportunity is
Yes, my
granted.
lord.
Whatever instructions you have, we'll go ahead with it. We are still granting you 3-4 days time. On Tuesday or Thursday, whichever date.
Thursdays, my lord.
Thursday, lord.
Thursday. On the prayer of Sri B. Das, Learned Council, representing the APDCL. Matter is adjourned for consideration till Thursday. No, matter is adjourned. Consideration to Thursday. Date, huh? 8/8. 8/8.
Yes, my lord.
21.
Yes.
Lordship, perhaps the petitioner got the relief, lordship, on the last occasion, lordship.
RP Sharma, Senior Counsel. Anyone attached with Mr. RP Sharma? Mr. Adhikari, PN Sharma. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas Sri D. Upamanyu, Learned Standing Council Head Department, and Sri D. Bhattacharya, Learned Standing Council AG, are present. Full stop. Both the Learned Council has drawn the attention of this court to the last order dated 15/7/2024, in which this court had recorded that there were developments towards redressal of the grievance of the petitioner. Full stop. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to give a further opportunity to the petitioner. Full stop. List on Wednesday next. Full stop. It is, however, made clear that in case of further non-representation, this court may pass appropriate orders.
Last time, it's subject to state. There was a submission of a different case, the state, my apologies for that. So that part may not be recorded. I'll get the instruction by the next matter.
But that has been recorded
I
already.
understand, that has been recorded.
That has been recorded.
That part may not be repeated again, but I'll get the instruction that what has happened.
But Mr. Upamanya has said,
On his, based on his. Whatever it is, but there wasn't some error on that on my part.
then where is the question of getting the relief?
So I'll get that. That's why I pay that.
Oh.
I'll.
Oh.
Not.
Oh, no, okay. No, like, full stop. Last of in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be full stop. In the meantime, may pass for the next date on so and so. The learned counsel for the respondents would obtain the updated instructions in the on the next date. Just a minute, Mr. Bhattacharya. Let's clarify, otherwise there may have been difficulty tomorrow. So and so, nine, and so. The Sri Bhattacharya, the learned counsel has, however, clarified that the observations made by this court on the in the last order dated 15/7/2024 on the instructions on the submission made by him was, however, clarifies that on the last date, due to some misconception, and incorrect instructions, and instructions pertaining to another case was conveyed to the court, leading to the observations made in the order dated 15/7/2024. Tasur Wednesday, further instructions.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, I have received telephonic instruction, Lordship, that the pension papers they were placed to the AG office. Lordship, let me have the written instruction.
You also take instructions?
Even more than 10 times, Lordship. So many occasions it depends on.
Because Lordship, initially it was wrongly sent to the directly by the Director of Health Services, Lordship. But since he is a gazetted officer, Lordship, it will have to be sent to the government.
Sri D. Upamanyu, learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department, has submitted that he has got telephonic instructions
From
that
from the Joint Secretary to the government of.
from the department that the pension papers of the deceased employee pertaining to the family pension of the petitioner has been forwarded to the AGSM.
Yes, Lordship,
the
pension and other pension.
AGSM. Full stop. Para. List on on 19th of August, so as to enable him to obtain the up-to-date instructions. Get the papers.
Yes, Lord.
At least furnish a copy to him.
Yes, Lord.
Oblig.
May it please the Lord. Lordship, as per the order dated 22/9/2023, the additional Advocate General was supposed to produce the records. My Lord, 22/9/2023.
May I please the Lord? Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kaur. Additionally, he is on medical emergency.
Oh, get the records.
They have filed the affidavit also.
You find-
Otherwise also, my lord, that document which have been annexed with the writ petition, those are sufficient, my lord. The basic case is that, my lord, the private requirement number 5, my lord. While
No, you file the counter at least. There is no
There's nothing here.
there is no observation regarding production of records. But time was
22/9,
taken
my Lord.
to
22/9.
22/9.
2023. 22/9/2023.
Okay.
Yes.
Dosri SP Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners, is present, Ms. Vishwas, learned counsel, has informed that Sri K. Kaur, learned AAG, could not be present due to some medical emergency. Full stop. Sri DP Bora, Learned Standing Council, Health and Family.
No,
Welfare.
madam. I'm appealing for the private response number 5.
Sri DP Bora, Learned Council for the
He is the
response of
affected person, madam.
Learned Council for the response of 5 is also present. Full stop. Para. On the prayer made on behalf of Sri K. Kumar, comma, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks, by which time the counter affidavit may be filed, full stop. The records may also be, the relevant records may also be produced.
My lord, I have an interim order, my lord, that may be continued.
What is the interim order?
Not to supersede the petition as well, in regard to promotion.
Madam, response number 5.
The, let the next date be fixed on. You're fixing a date.
My lord, the order is of 16/11/2022.
Let the next date be fixed on. Today is 2. 1, 2. We'll have it on 21st of August.
Yes.
The interim order passed early. To continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, may I just pray, my lord? My lord, let the respondent number file also file the affidavit, my lord.
File the affidavit?
No, my lord, our affidavit is not required because everything is there on record, madam. I can show you here. Oblige, madam.
My lord, 21st, my lord, has fixed. What's over?
Oblige.
May I please, in this case, I need some more time, my lord, regarding instruction, my
Yeah, for
elementary education department.
why is it coming for this court?
The batch 2 matter, my
This matter pertains to civil bench to registry to verify and list before the appropriate bench.
oblige, my. Lordship, here in this matter, I have received instruction, Lordship. I'll like to file an additional affidavit, Lordship.
Why additional affidavit? What some other instructions are there
Yes, Lordship.
regarding what is the
it-
subject matter, Mr. Deka?
My lord,
Entitlement to leave encashment benefits.
my lord, subject matter is basically to release the contributed money deposited in the pension account under the new defined contribution pension scheme. Because
What is your difficulty in not releasing? What is the defense? What is the difficulty in not releasing?
Lordship, today, Lordship, I'm a bit handicapped, Lordship. I do not have my file, Lordship. But I have filed my affidavit, Lordship, in this matter, and this is the additional.
Okay, how soon can you file? 2 weeks.
10 days, Lord.
Okay, 2 weeks time will grant. Okay, fix a date.
my lord,
Though affidavit in opposition has been filed, comma, Sri D. Upamanyu, Learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department, submits that certain further instructions have been received, which he would like to place on record by way of an additional affidavit, full stop para. Let such additional affidavit be filed within a period of 2 weeks. Para, list on date
any different as per your lordship.
on 21st of August.
Much obliged. my lord.
Item 26 and 27.
May I please, Lord? My lord, I am for the petitioner in respect of item number 26, my.
Yes.
My lord, the case of the petitioner is that, my lord, an advertisement was issued for filling up of several vacant posts of ground brother, my lord, in district of Kolkata, my lord. Petitioner offered his services in respect of against charge number 10 of Mondia Moda, my.
Okay. Then you applied.
Yes, my lord. And selection was held, my lord. A interview was held, my lord. Then select list was published, my lord. Page 18, my lord.
Okay.
Petitioner was selected against that charge, my lord.
Okay.
Then, my lord, all other candidates were issued appointment letter, my lord. But he was not issued appointment letter. My lord. Then he filed this instant writ petition, my lord.
Okay.
After filing of this writ petition, he came to know that the petitioner of other case, my lord, filed this writ petition challenging the originatum of the advertisement, my lord. And he also simultaneously filed appeal before the a revenue authority, my lord. Now, because of that, my lord, the authorities are not issuing appointment letter to the petitioner. Already more than 1 year has been up, my lord.
What is the challenge in the other writ petition?
Challenge, my lord, they have challenged the age criteria, my lord.
In item number 27, Lordship, the state respondents, they have filed a affidavit yesterday, Lordship. I seek some time to file a reply, Lordship.
Okay. Is there any interim order in?
No, my lord. No, no, my lord.
Then,
Dispose of the acting.
no, you,
If otherwise eligible.
if there is no interim order,
No,
why
no,
holding
no.
back?
To that effect, they have filed a affidavit.
You appoint, and if the petitioner is successful in 2/4/2023, it will go, his case will have to be considered. But 1 year, you cannot leave the post
Right.
vacant. And you'd like to file affidavit.
Lordship.
And in your case, Mr. Chaudhary, what has happened? So
My
far
lord,
as pleadings are concerned?
In my case, a respondent has filed their affidavit in opposition. Just by referring the state case, my lord. They are saying that. It's 26, Lordship.
Okay. You write in 3350, 2023. Part 3, AHMR Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard 3,
Yes, sir.
as Dr.
1 and 2, Lordship.
Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, as well as Sri D. Bora, the Learned State Council. Full stop. The issue involved is with regard to the appointment of the petitioner as Gaon Pradhan pursuant to a selection made. Full stop. The petitioner had applied for the said post in charge number 10, under the Mondia Moza in the district of Borapeta. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that while other selected candidates were appointed, the petitioner was left out without any reasons. Full stop. It has thereafter transpired that another candidate had that a writ petition was instituted, being WPC 244 of 2023 by one Nipul Das, whereby this election was put to challenge on the ground of the corrigendum regarding the age, and the said writ petition is pending. Full stop. This court has looked into the records of the said writ petition, which has been listed analogously. Full stop. There is no interim order restraining the appointment of the selected candidates. Full stop. This court has also been informed, as recorded above, that the other selected candidates have been appointed. Full stop. Para. It is therefore made clear that in absence of any interim order, the authorities, there is no bar for the authorities to appoint the petitioner. Full stop. However, such appointment will be subject to the outcome of WPC 244/2023. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the, your name?
MR Chaudhary.
Sri M.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner in this case, has informed that the affidavit in opposition has been filed yesterday.
Yesterday.
And he would like to file a rejoinder affidavit. Full stop. List after 2 weeks will be enough. List after 2 weeks. Common order করে দিব এটা.
My lord, in my case, some time may be given.
No, we have said we're not saying time. We are not disposing of. We said there is no bar. They can go ahead.
Obliged.
Item number 28 to 39.
We have filed the affidavit, but I don't see it is in the record.
Affidavit filed.
Yes, sir.
You have received copies?
Yes, Lord.
Ms. R. Bora, London Standing Council, Agriculture Department, has informed that the affidavit in opposition has been filed, which however is not tagged with the records. The Learned Counsel for the petitioners acknowledge receipt of a copy of the said affidavit. Put the para. List on Friday next.
Yes.
Along with the affidavit said to have been filed.
Okay.
Okay. Sri B. Chakraborty, all names we are recording. You have any difficulty? We are recording all the names. Sri B. Chakraborty, comma, Arboro.
I am the petitioner of petition number.
Your name is not required. Names are required of the respondents. Arboro, M. Bormon for Sri S.K. Medhi. Anyone for AG? Longkumar for AG? Are present for the AG Assam. Ms. Longkumar for WPT and BC. Mr. Datta? No. Let your name also be there. Yes. Barpujari? Finance. Arbor Finance. Okay.
Okay.
Arboro. That's what it is. M. Bormon on behalf of SK Medhi. Ardhar, WPT, Ardhar. Longkumar for whom? Oh, okay. Then don't write Longkumar. Said write Ardhar.
Item 40.
Lordship, I'm praying for timing. My senior is on legs on court number 26.
Timing will not be possible today. We are rising early. On Wednesday. Wednesday.
During-
File affidavit or not?
Let's say during the course of the day, we'll file our.
Okay, okay, good. You serve copy?
That-
Miss N. Bora, Learned Standing Council,
PNRD.
PNRD Department submits that the affidavit in opposition would be filed during the course of the day. Full stop. List on Friday next, along with along with the affidavit that may be filed.
Okay.
Friday after the no tarikh.
So yesterday file affidavit, Lordship.
Hello, we have received the affidavit in opposition. We can file our reply.
Okay. Sri A. Chakraborty, Learned State Council submits that the affidavit in opposition has been filed yesterday, which however, is it tagged with the records?
Not like.
Which however is not tagged with the records. Para, your S. Sahu,
Yes,
Miss S. Sahu, Learned Counsel for the petition.
Miss Aroy, sorry.
Aroy, you forgot your name.
No.
You said S. Sahu, yes. Miss Aroy, Learned, are you on record? Aroy, Miss Aroy, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Pray for and is granted. 2 weeks, is it enough? 2 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit. In both the matters,
Yes, both the methods.
you have filed in both. Same one.
Yes, sir.
Item 44.
The last question, my lord, not send was considered a prayer document as made by the petitioner. We might consent, my lord, if it is stayed for a year. No copy document is commissioner, assistant instant.
What is the order? What is the?
My lord, There is a department proceeding and a criminal proceeding at the same time where the allegations are the same that I was part and parcel of a party which has got death of
Okay,
the
now what
deceased.
is your relief? What is the relief?
Madam,
you are
my
seeking?
relief was that till the criminal proceedings are going on, my departmental proceedings should not run parallelly. Lordship has referred to Stanton to say that it should not proceed for a year. In a very similar circumstances, an interim has been granted to my superior officers. My lord, I'm a police officer, I'm a DSP. My additional SP and SP, everybody has got to stay from the court. Either, my lord, if lordship says it is for a years, it will
We'll
not
follow
follow that.
Stanton.
Stanton, for a year, it will remain state and thereafter.
Okay.
Okay.
Heard three R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also has 3 H. Chakraborty, learned state counsel. Full stop. Para. Considering the subject matter and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, this writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. Briefly stated. Para briefly stated, comma, it has been averred that the petitioner who was working as what?
And I'm a deputy inspector, superintendent of police, DSP.
Who was working as a deputy superintendent of police is implicated in a criminal case pertaining to Harangazao PS case number 3 of 2020 under section so and so, likhi diba, IPC. Full stop. The said case is at the stage of trial before the court of the session judge, Dima Hasao. Full stop. The petitioner was thereafter proceeded departmentally and a so-called notice was issued on 27/9/2022. Full stop. In the said department proceeding, comma, the stage has reached to cross-examine the management witnesses, what do you call departmental witnesses, and also to adduce evidence by the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner has contended that such an action would be highly prejudicial to him as his defense would be exposed in the criminal case. Full stop. Para. Sri Mazumdar, the learned counsel, has submitted that though there is no absolute bar for a parallel proceeding of a departmental proceeding vis-a-vis a criminal case, comma, a balance has to be made so that no prejudice is suffered by the delinquent. Full stop. It is submitted that there are catena of decisions on this issue, and in the case of Stanton versus Toitsu.
Stanton Toitetsu versus
Funsu, comma, a balance has been struck by directing the stay of departmental proceeding for a period of 1 year, so that in the meantime, comma, the criminal case can be completed. Full stop. Para. Sri Chakraborty, learned state counsel, has fairly conceded to the aforesaid submission based on the principles laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Stanton Supra. Para.
Para 16, Lord.
In the aforesaid case, comma, the following observations have been made. asylum, Ubuntu, para, following the principles laid down, comma, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing that the disciplinary proceeding, departmental proceeding initiated against the petitioner be kept on hold for a period of a year so as to enable the criminal case to proceed and be completed in accordance with law. Full stop. This court, however, gives liberty to the petitioner to approach this court again in case there is no substantial progress in the criminal case, which would be considered in accordance with law. Writ petition stands disposed of.
No problem.
You instruct the authorities to go ahead with the criminal case expeditiously. What is the stage?
On the fifth, it is fifth for another prosecution witness.
A PW is going
My
on.
lord.
How many?
I think, my lord, this is the 12th or 11th.
What is the
thing.
charge?
My lord, causing the death of one of the surrendered.
Custody,
My lord.
custodial death.
No, not custody, my lord. So he was picked up, there was no FIR, there was no record of his being picked up.
That is custodial death. Custodial death is not confined to die in the jail premises. While you are in the custody of the police, there is custodial death. Okay.
Bless.
My pleasure, Lordship. Seems that the respondent has taken this matter as very seriously, Lordship, because on 26/6, Lordship, the returnable date, it was directed for consideration of interim prayer. On that next, the council was changed, Lordship, and thereafter on 22/7, it was at 2 p.m. they have filed an affidavit. Thereafter, 26/7/2024, the Learned Senior Council has prayed for filing an affidavit, Lordship, against the reply affidavit, which your Lordship has denied, rejected the statement, but now they have filed an additional affidavit without taking leave from this one.
Yes, we will not consider the additional affidavit. Why do you file when you have said things are
He has
complete?
made certain, by filing the gender, he made certain.
No, which
incorrect-
matter we will consider, but we did not grant you leave.
Last time, but Lordship may ignore that. I already filed an affidavit number that is Lordship may consider.
If we find that yes, something absolutely new has been said,
Because
then.
in the affidavit in opposition.
But
reply-
when do you want the matter to be considered? What is the matter?
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, their own guidelines, by violating their own guidelines, Lordship, they have given the promotion to the private respondent.
You are aggrieved by promotion of the private
Yes,
respondent.
private.
FCI.
Yes, Lord.
You are in what category?
Lordship, handling level, Lordship. Next promotion, two promotion, Lordship, it's more.
Yes, when can we hear this concept matter?
Any day, you know.
Tell us, Mr. Polita.
Lordship will finally hear the matter.
14th, okay.
14th.
14th, it's a Thursday. Oh no, 14th is a Wednesday.
13th.
Well, 13th,
All right.
13th, okay. On the request made by the Learned Council for the parties, comma, list for admission hearing on 13/8/2024. Please remind us, we'll have it for disposal.
Lordship may record about the additional affidavit.
About the,
Edit.
no, we'll remember that.
Item 47.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the second was claim for family pension, my lord. So I am paying for similar order, my lord.
Maintenance,
So yes,
full court.
full court judge.
Okay. Heard 3 AI within Learned Council for the petitioner. Full stop. Also heard Miss N. Bora, Learned Standing Council, PNRD Department. Full stop para. Briefly stated, comma, the petitioner, who is the second wife, has approached this court with a claim for the DCRG, and the family pension. Full stop. Without going to the detailed, you are for AG? AG, Arboro, huh? AG Assam. Para. It is submitted by Sri Udin that the husband of the petitioner was serving as a driver in the office of the block development officer, comma, Bajia Gaon Development Block in the district of Nagaon. Full stop. The husband had retired from service on 30/4/2023. Oh, no. While the husband of the petitioner was still in service, comma, he had passed away on 28/7/2017. Full stop. It, however, transpires that the petitioner is the second wife and the respondent number 6 is the first wife. And accordingly, they had entered into an agreement for sharing the family pension and DCRG. Full stop. Though the aforesaid proposal was forwarded, comma, the same was returned. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel for the parties have, however, placed before this court the judgment passed by the Honorable Full Bench in the case of so and so. Full stop. In the said case, it has been laid down. Paragraph 5, iska? Paragraph 5. 6, iska paragraph 5, yes. Has been laid down, huh? Yes. Okay, same order. Obliged.
I'm item number 6.
Oh, our burn. Disposal, huh? Huh? The 47th, huh? 1 second. This was item number. Item. No, this is 47. 46 is timely, sir. Infructuous, Infructuous. Oh. वो ये 47 है इसमें जी नहीं AGS. Anyone for AG was there? We can record name of AG. Arboro लिखी थी
Please, your lordship. My lord, office note dated, my lord, 31/7/24 reveals that, my lord, the service to the respondent number 2 has been complete. And the, my lord, other 1 and 3, my lord, neither ID card nor Aadhaar notice is, my lord, returned. So, my lord,
13/6. Okay, we'll have some time. Respondent number 2, are you appearing?
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 2. Today we have further.
Okay. As per office note dated 31/7/2024, comma, service upon respondent number 2 is complete. And service report is awaited for respondent numbers 1 and 3. Para. Ms. N. Bora submits, learned counsel submits that she has been instructed to appear on behalf of the respondent number 2 and would file the wakalatnama shortly. Full stop. She also prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Full stop. The next date, comma, let fresh service report be made with regard to the service of notice upon respondent numbers 1 and 3.
Lord, my humble submission before your lordship, my lord, my name has not been reflected in the cause list, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Our name to लिखी दीजिए. Let
M.
the
Islam.
name of Sri M.
Islam.
M. Islam be recorded, be reflected in the cause list.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
Item 49. I for?
Since the IA accumulated, the ILA incumbent has also retired from party, so the present incumbent was made party. And prior to that process, the notice was not issued, but subsequently, as per direction of this honorable court, we have issued notice to the present incumbent also.
Where is the affidavit?
It was issued on 2/5/24.
You file an affidavit. Have you filed affidavit?
Not file affidavit.
File an affidavit, bring it on record. File a short affidavit. How will you know the notice has been issued? Sri J. Kolita, learned counsel for the applicant petitioner, has submitted that pursuant to the order dated 1/5/2024, notice has indeed been issued to the incumbent who has been sought to be made, who has been sought to be impleaded as party respondent. Full stop. Let the aforesaid notice be brought on record by way of an affidavit. Ms. Kolita and Kolita, learned counsel appears for
The sole respondent.
the sole respondent. Okay.
If they are appearing, if they are appearing,
No, earlier respondent, not the, this is a contempt matter.
contempt matter, but there is, respondent department has been appearing all the time, sir.
Then the contempt, we cannot force the department.
No issue, but they are appearing as a department.
If they on their own volition appear, we cannot force them to appear.
Obliged.
Okay, next.
My lord, here is a case, my lord, the petitioners are, my lord, working on the NHM on contractual basis. The verge of retirement, my lord, transport was issued, which they put challenge this honorable court stayed the order. Now, just the part of revenge is to teach us a lesson, my lord.
Yes, salaries, why don't you pay?
My lord, interestingly, yesterday, the salary all has been released despite the action given by this honorable court. Notice, my lord, our salary has been only halted.
My lord, that was only a
No,
temporary
but
harassment, and I have not received any instruction. Actually,
why don't you pay?
our,
Release the salaries.
our earlier MD has already been
No,
transferred.
this is not a
my
good
lord.
ground.
On Wednesday, my lord.
Okay, get instructions on
My
that.
lord, thing is that,
But you have got latest instruction, Mr. Chamaria?
my lord.
Have you got the latest instructions that salaries have not been paid?
Yes, yesterday, my lord, the release has been, my lord, this is,
Sri Chamaria, the learned counsel for the
we are very in a critical position. my lord.
applicants, has submitted that salaries have not been paid, which however has been released to other employees.
Not to us.
Ms. Bora, A. Bora, learned standing counsel, NHM,
Let them submit a compliance report, my lord. Then
prays for some time to obtain instructions. Full stop, para. List on Friday next. Give the date.
my lord, can it be Thursday, my lord? Because my lord, Friday, my lord, again, they become very trouble.
No,
my lord.
but they'll not do it. Get the instructions that you have paid the salaries.
My lord, only
And
one line,
advise your clients.
my only one line is compliance report, my lord. Suppose if they would paid, my lord, the compliance report may be submitted. Otherwise, my lord, they
Compliance regarding which order?
my lord, about payment, my lord.
Compliance regarding which
My
order?
lord, if suppose they would like to pay, my lord, next week, my lord.
Mr. Chamaria, compliance will have to be related to an order. So was the order.
Really, we're in a very difficult position, my lord.
Okay,
Obliged.
next. Huh?
Right.
On Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam, what is this?
May I please your lordship? I am appearing on behalf of P. Mohanto for item number 51. I pray to your lordship to kindly take the matter after 2 p.m.
After 2 p.m. it will be difficult. Call your senior now, otherwise it will go with 17 matter. We don't like to adjourn also. What is the matter about?
Otherwise, the
Yes, madam, what is the matter about?
My lordship, your lordship, it's related to a mill that was closed in 1994.
Yes, Mr.
Otherwise, the claim of the petitioners, they were working in the Assam spinning mill unit, your lordship. Now, the claim of the petitioners that initially they have been engaged as a casual worker and subsequently they have been regularized. But we have filed a detailed affidavit that initially they have been appointed as a casual worker on a basic pay of 600 per month. And by the time of liquidation, by the closure of the mill, they have not been regularized. Now
the mill was closed down, liquidated.
It has been liquidated.
When was it?
It was done in the year 2010 by appointing a CA fund. And their name has been included in the VRS list. So out of those petitioners, some they have received their amount, some are yet to receive. That is the present position, your lords.
Okay, Tuesday we'll have.
Tuesday.
Okay. Our prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Mr. P. Mahanta,
P. Mahanta.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Madam, you're in both the matters.
I think
Are you in both the
52
matters?
Uh,
There are two
52
matters.
Lordship, P. Mahanta's name has not been shown. in the
You are not
document.
in 52, you're only in 51.
yes, sir.
52 is appearing.
Lordship, some names were shown, but on the last
P.
occasion
Mahanta,
also none
Learned
appeared.
Counsel, appearing in WPC 1423 of 2017, full stop. None appears for the petitioners in WPC 3536 of 2017, full stop. 3G, Bordeaux. The Standing Council Cooperation Department is present. Sarah, in the interest of justice, okay. Adjournment pray kiya hai, bola hai na? What is your name, madam?
Mridusmita Das.
M. Das ऊपर लिख दिया. In the interest of justice, matters are adjourned to be listed on. We'll have it on 6th, all matter, 6th. Okay.